Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Bathroom mixer faucet tap we're unboxing. Okay, now this tap, I've had a look at it earlier and I was just blown away. Now I've done a tap before, and as you can see the difference in this tap, these pipes, these one are color coded, so you have the blue for cold water and the red for the hot water. There you have the bits that screws in to the tap. Yeah, so let's proceed. Here we have our tap. Let's get it out of the bag. Looks pretty good to me. Right, there we are. Oh my days. That is, let me just get this plastic back. Have a look at the kittens. Yeah? What are they doing? Having a whale of time this time of the morning. As you can see, they're having a whale of a time. Anyway, that's not what you're here for. Let's put this on here because it's a glass table and this is, as you can see, solid. Right, that's our faucet mixer tap. Looking really nice, if I say so myself. Right, now, this end is what fits in your basin. Yeah, so what you need to do, whoa, we really got to be careful with this thing here. Unscrew this nut here. Sorry, I just had to get my other hand involved. Unscrew that. That comes off just like that. Yeah, on the bottom you have a big washer, and then you have two more washers. Basically, as the washers are, leave the washers, yeah? So you would plunk that into the hole where it fits on the basin. And you see how fast now I make the washers drop off. Alright, so that's that part of it. So if I get my washers back, and that one goes on first, as you can see, it's got a little lip on it. If you look under here, it's got like a little indent. So if we get our washers back, and we put it the right way around, see, the little indent goes on the inside. So it sits in the groove, just like that. And the other one that's fallen off, that one, goes on there. So what I would do, I would put that one, the black one, on the top, then plunk it in, and then from underneath I would put the white washer. Then comes the metal washer, then comes the nut. Alright, so that's how I would fit them all up. Right, now before we go any further, let me see if these cats want to go outside. Yeah. Oh, that did. Anyway, back now, yeah. These break down, right? Now this part, as you can see there, screws out of there, alright, and that exposes inside there, but you still can't reach properly to tighten your pipe properly. So what you got to do now, I hold that between my legs, you can see that bit screws off, alright, and again that bit screws off. So now this is what we have. And our pipe, I'm just going to get our pipe just to try it out. Here's our pipe. We have red for hot, blue for cold, as I said earlier on. Now if we look on here, there's no H, there's no C. So again, we're gonna have to try and figure out hot, hot, cold. See the cat? Anyway, right, you get that? And that screws into there. Let's see if I can catch that. Might be a bit awkward. Can't get the bloody thing in the hole. Yeah, I think that's cool. I felt it. Now, when you're catching these things, yeah, be careful that it doesn't get cross-threaded. If you turn it one turn and it's gone tight like this one, it's obviously wrong. So take it back out and start again. Alright, see? Now just screw that in. And you will need a spanner on here just to lock that up, make sure it's tight. Once you get that in there, you then need this bit here, which if I look at it carefully, it is not sided as the top and bottom. Yeah, so I'm gonna go for it and slide that. Oops, finger. Right, now I'm gonna do that bit again. Right, once we've got our pipe attached, yeah, we then get our next bit of connector in line. We get it to the hose, I'll put it, stop it girl, right, up there, and we screw it on. Now, if I do that, I can feel it's catching, alright? Now, because I'm not sure, it looks just the same to me, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on that way, and then tighten it up. No, as you can see, one side is larger than the other. Yeah, see, that won't work. So my assumption was wrong. So put it back that way, put it in there, girl, and there you go. That fits onto there. Just take your time. It's a bit fidgety for me because I'm looking through the camera and not actually at the thingy-majig. I don't know where the kittens have gone, if they've gone outside or not. But if they have, let's hope they find their way back in. Anyway, through my talking and everything, I'm not catching this thing properly. So I'm going to just try and focus for a minute and do it properly. There you go. Yeah, now that's on. Next bit is this. That's on. Next bit is this. So we get this. Inside there is our thread. So that goes in through there and screws down just like that. Make sure when you're screwing things that they do go in square and it do go right up to where it should be, otherwise it's just gonna look crap. Alright, so screw that in. See, it locks up nice and even, nice and square. Everything looking good so far. There we go. Our tap is almost good to go. Alright, next bit is our brass bit, and we've done all the bits at the bottom already. So we get that. Get it there, go. There we are. And that goes onto there. That, as we said before, goes through your sink. So what you do now, once you've got all that together, this is what you would have done. You'd have connected both pipes. So you'd have had both pipes coming through. All that's back together. That's when your nut comes off. And you put that through. Once everything is connected and everything is done up, that goes through in the sink. and you put your bottom washer on, connect both your pipes, which I'll show you, or you can check out another one of my videos and you will see it. And that's basically it. That's how it's done. So that's how you fit your faucet mixer tap. Alright? So we're gonna call this one the unboxing and assembling of your faucet mixer taps. Okay, people? So till next time, stop rubbing each other and see you later.